SOLIDWORKS have been working hard over the last year to bring you some brilliant new functionality and performance enhancements, making this latest release the best yet. Let's take a look at a small selection of what to expect from SOLIDWORKS 2021. When designing new products, your designs should be in the front seat, and that's why in SOLIDWORKS 2021, the user interface has been given some great new enhancements so you can focus on your design. The command manager can now be collapsed, allowing for more working screen area, as well as a new option for the positioning of the quick access tools, cleaning up the main toolbar so you can easily interpret file information. Customizing the S key and all other menus can now be achieved smoothly and easily using the new search command within the customize options, followed by simply dragging and dropping the desired command onto the relevant menu. In sheet metal, you now have the ability to add edge flanges to curved edges, such as those in a bend region. And as you would expect, this new feature type can be flattened ready for detailing or export to DXF. When working with weldments, corner intersections between different member types and sizes can often require manual trimming. In SOLIDWORKS 2021, however, there's a brand new option to accommodate this situation. Simply select Flush Miter from within the Trim command properties and your corner treatment will be taken care of. Custom properties are a great way to store model and design information, and now in SOLIDWORKS 2021, equations are supported in custom properties and cut lists. Working with configurations is now quicker than ever, with switching between and creating new configurations being significantly faster than before. There are also some powerful new options when using configurable parts within an assembly pattern too, with the ability to synchronize all pattern configurations, ensuring that any changes to the seed component are correctly propagated. When checking for interferences in SOLIDWORKS 2021, there is now the ability to save this information to a spreadsheet, creating a structured method to review and evaluate a design. Opening times for resolved and lightweight assemblies has been significantly improved in SOLIDWORKS 2021, and a more streamlined approach has been introduced to access the assembly and feature information of a lightweight component. When compared side by side to SOLIDWORKS 2020, drawings in SOLIDWORKS 2021 will pan, zoom and scroll more smoothly, with noticeably less latency, meaning that your drawings keep pace with your mouse movements. Introduced in SOLIDWORKS 2020, the detailing mode's available functionality has been expanded in SOLIDWORKS 2021 to support the addition and editing of all annotation types, including ordinate dimensions, hole callouts and tolerance and precision. Broken views, crop views and even detail views can also be added. EDRAWINGS is an essential tool for sharing design data with both colleagues and clients. SOLIDWORKS 2021 introduces several improvements to EDRAWINGS. The measure command has been significantly improved with the ability to view minimum and maximum distances when two circular or cylindrical objects are selected, as well as full support for measure within a web browser when publishing EDRAWINGS to HTML. Custom and configuration-specific properties can now be viewed directly inside EDRAWINGS, as well as the new ability to move and rotate bodies, making it easier than ever to interrogate large projects. When importing models to SOLIDWORKS Visualize, all configurations are now available, meaning you don't have to worry about what the last save configuration inside SOLIDWORKS was set to. New options have been added within displacement maps, section cuts and camera filters in order for you to achieve the exact look and feel needed for your renders. In SOLIDWORKS 2021, the setup, meshing and running of simulation studies is quicker than ever, thanks to a host of new and improved tools. When working with meshes, a new diagnostics tool helps to isolate poor quality mesh areas, making them quick and easy to find. The new mesh helper can then be used to automate the required mesh refinement. The automatic solver selection has been optimized, giving you the most suitable choice for your study and computer. But for those more experienced users, you can still choose your solver manually. SOLIDWORKS PDM 2021 adds a number of enhancements to improve the user experience. Administrators have been given more control, and the interfaces for defining workflows and viewing where used and contains information has been drastically improved. For administrators, the new and updated icons for states and transitions in PDM 2021 will help to illustrate each step and add some colour when building workflows. For users, the new treehouse view, available in the Where Used and Contains tabs, gives an incredible visual reference for project structure that can be viewed, printed, or exported to an Excel file with embedded thumbnails. SOLIDWORKS Manage adds powerful project, process, and item management capabilities to SOLIDWORKS PDM Professional. Enhancements in this latest release include project lists, task visualization, support for the preview of SOLIDWORKS CAD data using the Web 2 interface, and the ability to share information with clients using a unique protected link. The 3D Experience platform is a cloud-based tool that brings together all areas of your business, with tools that enable the sharing, review, and collaboration of your SOLIDWORKS data, as well as dedicated web-based apps for design, simulation, rendering, and data management. Take your designs to the next level with the powerful new tools available in SOLIDWORKS 2021.